PBBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang
konting pahinga lang. Simula na agad ng ating second semifinals matchup in the under 16 division dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Earlier on, we saw the miracle that happened here in Las Piñas. Zamboanga Harbor Pilots are in the finals as they defeated LBDL Gallants from Laguna 70-69. This time, Brian Apostol and Region 2 Apong Cagayan will have a chance to make it into the finals as they face off against San Juan Mighty Warriors. Went for that floater, didn't go through, looks to push the pace, makes that move, cleans the rim. Matt Soto enters the contest and now scores his first two. Jumper in and out. So far a flat start once again para dito sa San Juan. A three ball by Soto. Down the drain. (7-0) is the score. Went for that drive. Merong foul na itatawag as Escoto will be shooting his way in. Misses on the first. This is the fourth game of 8 for today. Mamaya after this contest, we will see sino ang makakalaban ng Harbor Pilots Zamboanga. After that, under 18 naman tayo. Yun ang ating aabangan as Devron Benitez secures the first one. Benitez secures both free throws. 7-2 is the score, turns it over. Itong Region 2 looking to push the pace here, sends it in the corner. Missing that three was Sandig. Benitez gets that ball, balik dito ay Sandig. Went in for that move. A 3-second call on a Benedict Solas. Seven to 2. Another outlet. Foul is called. Wendell Katwiran enters this one at the free throw area. Eight to 2. Still on the other side. Oh, did a run though, Matt Soto. 7 points for Matt. Pumping one up. And a steal once again. What a play by Matt Soto. Escoto on the other side silences the crowd. Need to play their hearts out. These two squads, that's Kip Picasso looking on. 10-4 ang ating score. Devron Benitez sees the clock and the score says 4 to 10, I should say 6 minutes. 5 to go. Last year's finalist in the main junior MPBL looking to win the Battle of Champions. Miss Jumper gets another opportunity. Rael Gimarawan. Rael Gimarangan able to score and scoot his way in. A turnover once again. Now going to recover. Gimarangan sends it. Eniel Verdan will knock it down. Look how composed San Juan Mighty Warriors are. They were down 10-8, 10-6, I should say, is our score. Ngayon, a good recovery. Quick 5-0 run. (10-9) ang ating score. 1 point lead. Wendell with the score. Wendell Katwiran scores on that layup. 9-12. Verdan gives it to Devron Benitez. Sends it outside. Soto couldn't recover in time. Was Verdan. (12 to 11). 4 minutes 31 remaining. Soto has been playing well. Has 7 points. Pulls a 3. That is off the mark. Sino po ang next games? Gonna check sa ating schedule as Eniel Verdan scores on that basket. Under 18 natin will be Laguna. MGBJ4 versus Laguna. Impact Ballers, magandang laban yan. Both Laguna squads. Bataan and Apong Cagayan na naman ang ating next game. A good game yesterday. Tutuloy nila ang kanilang serye mamaya with the winner being in the finals. Rael Gimarawangan hits that layup. Gimarangan able to make his way in, scoot a layup, gave San Juan the lead. They lost the possession. Berdan pushes the pace, sends it to Rael Gimarangan once again. Or I should say that is Bash. On that point, Bolingan scores on that basket. Tumaliwan, they send it in the corner, a three. Wouldn't hit. Berdan once again. Masyadong malayo. Couldn't make a forward move. Itong si Bash Boligan. (17-14) is our total. On that drive, nice rejection that time. Berdan guarded by Apostol, a three ball. Didn't go in. Here's Brian once again on the shake. Heading to Curry here or the offense. Region 2. Here's Brian off the mark. Kendrick Picasso has entered the ball game. Sends it out. Three all alone. There you go. Just knocking it down. Saktong-sakto on that three. Coronel and company going to make one more stop. A foul is called on that attempt. Wendell Katuiran. Misses on the free throw. A minute 35, knocking the second one down. Region 2, Apong Cagayan, down by 5 points, goes for that drive. Aniel Berdan got that basket. Ball is loose. Let's look if they can recover. A solid start for Apong Cagayan. Now they're down by 7. Aniel starts off the play. Coronel, balik kay Berdan. A three ball on the way again. This time it rims on the right. Rebound secured here. Matt Soto has been that spark. De La Cruz, he can be the next factor for Region 2. Soto couldn't knock down the three. Picasso secures that rebound. Berdan will lose the possession. Nice tap. Runaway, Brian. Di makakascore rin si Apostol. $29.6. Let's see if they can make something here. Apostol rattles the three in. 22-18. Cian Coronel, they swing it Aniel to answer. That is off the mark. Rebound. That attempt was blocked. That's a Clarence Chonaco. I said that's Medes Chonaco on that rebound. Clarence Eslao still waiting to be deployed here. "11 seconds to go. Conejo couldn't make it through that pass. A swipe. Sayang yung puntos na yon. Coronel couldn't get that basket to go. 18-22 after starting out flat. San Juan Mighty Warriors up by 4.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPB.
Start of the second quarter. Kendrick Picazo knocking down the opening basket and now looking to force a lot of turnovers ay itong San Juan. De La Cruz able to break it down. 26-20. A miss stepping through that jumper. Now on the push once again. Apostolas hit 1-3. Katwiran has been dominating inside. Jumper. That is off the mark. Nashkarag couldn't buy that basket. Coronel waiting for this pass. Benitez decides to pass it as well. Ryle couldn't get that basket. Is Gimarangan. 26-20. Soto wowed us in the first quarter. Hasn't scored since after that three-pointer. Now he adds more. Di papasok. De La Cruz couldn't get that follow-up, pero merong foul. Kendrick Picazo will be called for that foul. Misses on that free throw. De La Cruz, they will regain possession. Sabi ni Ma'am Irene Palmario, pinapa-shoutout niya si Ray Palmario, yung ating game announcer for our game for today sa ating semis. Special shoutout sa iyo, Madam, and everyone na nanonood sa atin. Coronel guarded here by Glian Sabes. That is a good matchup. Ryle Gimarangan sends it to Aniel Berdan. Jumper is good. Turns around, shoots that basket. 28-20. 8-point lead na ang abante ng San Juan. Devron Benitez completes that basket. Let's see if he can make the end one. (30-20) is the score. Both number 11s fighting for that possession. There is Clarence Eslao checking in para sa San Juan, as well as Carl Cabocan can be that spark of the bench. Talking about Carl, Benitez didn't complete that 3-point play. Aniel Verdan creating that separation, and that jumper is good. He gets that basket. Talking about Aniel Verdan. Now on the run, merong foul na itatawag. (32-20). Cabocan swings it. Goes for that drive. Glian, di pa nakakapuntos. 32-22 our total here for this game. Sandig hasn't scored yet. Verdan has been playing well. Missing. Eslao spins. Mawawala sa kanya ang bola. De La Cruz will turn the ball over. Here's Verdan. Last second pass. Sabi niya, sana inangat ko na lang. (32-22) ang ating score. Final 5 minutes remaining here as that basket didn't go in. Eslao with a finish. Nice pass by Benitez, finding Eslao on that play. Last second on that pass, Benitez just jumps out of nowhere to get that rebound. Solas, through contact, offensive foul though. Had they click on that, di nga lang na kompleto. 34-22. A steal goes in. Di papasok. Balik ang bola sa San Juan Mighty Warriors. So sa 2 games ng San Juan Mighty Warriors, for me this is the first time that I have seen them really challenged. Dahil ito yung so far pinakadikit nilang laban. Majority of their game really heading into blowouts. One, they got a 70-plus lead blowout as they got that victory. That was against Bataan, if I'm not mistaken. Bataan Boss League. Yun yung unang laban ng San Juan dito sa Battle of Champions. Carl Cabocan will just up it in. Nice tip by Wendell Catuiran. Sandig was shut down on that baseline drive. Looking to pass it to someone as it is turned over. Sandig will be fouling itong si Soto. Continue the play here. Cabocan. Sabes, I believe, hasn't scored yet. De La Cruz with a spin. Big Marco Del Rosario has entered the conversation as we are now with 2 minutes 30 remaining. Missed attempt on San Juan. Glian Sabes, we have seen him really perform well in this Battle of Champions. Cabocan drives, one-hander, won't fall. Escoto secures that rebound. It is recovered. Went for that roll of a pass. Sayang yun para ay Catuiran. Ball is still on the side of San Juan after turning the ball over. Bash Boligan re-emerging in the scene, as well as Mires Chonaco. Escoto caught stepping on the line. Good defense by Glian on that last one. (34-24). Sabes looking to break this 2-3 zone. Cabocan, balik kay Sabes. Shoots this three. There you go. One way to break a zone is to hit your outside shots. Sabes makes it as that layup by Escoto goes in for a counter. Balik sa siyam ang hinahabol dito ng Apong Cagayan. Catuiran turns the ball away. Here's Boligan on the race. Bash for two. Doing it on both ends. Timeout is called, brought to us by Pound Active.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino.
38-27 goes for that reverse. (38-29). Escoto goes for that dribble drive, a three. Boligan couldn't make it five straight. San Juan Mighty Warriors calls for time, final 11.7 to go.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag
38-29 is the score. A 9-point lead for San Juan Mighty Warriors. Big Marco scores his first two, and that is how we will end our first half semifinals. 40-29, San Juan Mighty Warriors up by 11. We are at halftime.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to.
Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
start off this one. Scoring the first 2 points, Glian Sabes. Again, one player na pwedeng mag-init. Speaking of which, Daniel Verdan knocks down the jumper this time para naman sa San Juan. 42-31. Bilis na responde Wendell Katuwiran. Ron Benitez on the other side makes back-to-back points para sa San Juan. Early moments, 11-point lead. We have a quick break.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan.
44-33 is the score. San Juan Mighty Warriors looking to lock up Region 2 Apong Cagayan. Nice pass by Sera, touch pass, Wendell Katuwiran lands that basket. 435-44 as Devron Benitez now starting to catch fire in this game. Verdan has 2, Benitez has 4, gets 1 steal in his name. On the drive, Sian Coronel. Here comes San Juan. 48-35. Going for the push here. Joshua Serra this time. Hands it off. Another takeaway. Just couldn't do that when you are facing Aniel Verdan. Has really have a good hand on the ball. (48-35) Coronel. Benitez. He send it back to Sian. Here is Picasso. Hands it off to Aniel. Verdan half spin. Benitez jumper is good. 50-35. The offense of San Juan working well, but that bank shot will work as well. Glian Sabes just never giving up in this one. Last touch para kay Verdan. Balik ang bola dito sa Region 2. Credit to Apong Cagayan. They are just keeping in pace here, only down by 4 possessions. 50-34. Couldn't make that jumper. Strong rebound by Devron Benitez. Verdan again looking to operate on the offense. Nice pass, Benitez. Couldn't finish. Buti na lang nandun si Benedict Solas for the putback. Player is down. I believe this is Apostol being checked in by our medical team. Favoring, I believe, his right ankle as he is being attended here. With 6:30 remaining. Down by 14 points, 52-38. Cabocan hasn't really scored yet in this game. Soto had a good first quarter, never followed that up. Nice spin. And he will be fouled after breaking that defense by Benitez. Benitez and Berdan looking to trap here. Sends it out once again. Cabocan. Soto for 3. Couldn't hit. Follow up. Wala pa rin. Cabocan will lose that possession. Nice pass. Chonaco on the finish. Aniel Berdan. Really nice to see him really mature in this basketball career of his. Covered him 2 years ago and he's a better player now than he was back then. That was a smart play by Berdan. 5 minutes, 10 remaining. Apong Cagayan, yung kanilang hinahabol, tumataas na, lumalaki na at 16. Soto sends it in the post, outside again. Nanlamig na itong si Matt Soto. He started things off with a beautiful rondo. Yung behind the back pass. Fake didn't, had the chance to really continue. This time, Ryle Guimarães naman. Didiskarte dito. Waits for a teammate. Referees call a travel. On that stop, natawagan ng traveling si Guimarães. (54-38). Goes for that fake. De La Cruz will be fouled on that play. De La Cruz at the line will miss on the first. (54-38). Di makakakuha ng puntos but that rebound against 3 defenders, yun nga lang, tatawagan ng traveling. (54-39). 3:33 remaining into this contest. Sends it out. A 3 on the way. That is good. Vincent Macoring get that 3-pointer to drop. I believe his first 2. Guimarães to answer. That is off the mark. Masyadong malayo yung pasa ni De La Cruz papunta kay Macoring, I should say. Cuts the lead to 12. (54-42). Buligan went for that spin, or for that pass, I should say. Another traveling call ang itatawag dito sa San Juan. Sabes has had at least 5 points in this fourth or third quarter, I should say, as we head to the fourth. Wendell Katwiran scores another basket. And one of their more consistent players para dito sa Apong Cagayan. Able to sneak one in. Bash Boligan. (44 to 56 is the score. Goes for that step back. Sends it out. Soto. Finally ends the slump for him. Has at least 13 points. Itong si Soto. Escoto this time. So just exchanging baskets for both squads. Katwiran spins and shoots over Berdan. (56 to 49). Bitin yung layup ni Conejo on that one. A chance to cut this lead. Sabes went on a journey that went nowhere. Escoto once again. Through that bump, no problem. Sabes going for the last shot here. In and out, in again for 3. That's 3 3-pointers in the quarter para dito sa Region 2. Baba sa 8. San Juan Mighty Warriors. Escoto scored the last 2. Bash fights for the possession. And an unsportsmanlike foul. That was an unspo on a Bash Bolingan. Happened right in front of the bench nitong Apong Cagayan. So meaning it's 2 free throws plus possession. Glian Sabes knocks down both free throws. (60 to 54). 6 na puntos ang kalamangan. Sabes and company looking for a big win against Aniel Berdan and the San Juan Mighty Warriors. Katwiran will lose the possession. Escoto has played well in the third, as well as Aniel Berdan. They push the pace. Escoto couldn't get it, and that follow-up is in for Conejo. Merong rest back nung atake na yun as Soto makes that floater. 6-point lead. 62 to 56 ang ating score, fourth quarter. A close ball game between these two squads. Let's see what will happen in the final quarter of basketball.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino.
Fourth quarter action. A seat in the finals is on the line. San Juan Mighty Warriors looking to make it back-to-back. Final strip. Meanwhile, Region 2, Apong Cagayan looking to make it back as well and possibly winning that chip once again. Rael Gimarangan fouled shooting a 3. Again, that's a no-no. Knocks down the first one. Naibaba na kanina at least by 5 points, 6 points. Nitong Region 2, yung kalamangan ng San Juan. But just continue to pour in the points. Rael Gimarangan, medyo paambon-ambon lang yung kanyang production but really hitting it where it matters. Makes all 3. De La Cruz to Sabes, guarded by Berdan. Looking for that double team. Almost a steal, a foul. .16 on the shot clock. Glian looks, sends off fire. On that one was Soto. Berdan this time. Sila di diskarte. Looking to pass it to Debron Benitez. Cian Coronel just couldn't make that pass through. .56. 6-point lead now becomes a 9-point lead as Kit Picasso just watches on the sidelines. Almost a delivery. Bitin yung attempt and now going to push. Berdan sees daylight. Aniel Berdan having a solid game is Aniel. Perhaps his best game dito sa ating Battle of the Champions. On the other side, a quick response. Gimarangan once again calls on the play. Almost loses the possession. A 3. That is a miss by Cian Coronel. Nice recovery by Benitez. Isa pa, Gimarangan. Couldn't hit. Escoto fights for that rebound. Cabocan looking for that spin. Passes it on the corner. Still not a safe possession para dito sa kampo ng Region 2. San Juan is just all over this one. 58 is the score. A 3. Apostol knocks it down. 67-61. 7 minutes 45 remaining into this contest, and a turnover. Oh, last touch. Thought that was a turnover. Macoring thought as well. Possession will remain on the side of San Juan. Yun na turnover na talaga. As Lester Orpilla able to take that ball. Soto drives, dumps, behind his back, fakes. At merong foul na magaganap. Wendell Katwiran. Again, they're one of their best players in this game. One of the more consistent players, producers para dito sa kampo ng Region 2. Will knock down the second. 63-67. Now going on the push. Gimarangan sends it to Berdan. Sian for 3. Off the mark. On the run once again. Matt Soto gathers. Gimarangan, I should say that is Wendell Katwiran. Didn't get that one. On the run, Conejo with a finish. Absorbing contact and just finishing the ball in. 63-69. Misfiring si Apostol. Berdan once again on the push. Nice pass. Benitez with a finish. Coronel, presence of mind, dropping it to Devron.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod.
71-63. Pass was too weak. Coronel made that beautiful pass earlier. Now got that steal. Gimarangan being pressured here by Soto. (71-63). Jumper. Gimarangan calls glass. (73 all). Apostol spins, shoots and scores. That was way out of balance. Brian Apostol makes that play. Ryle Gimarangan couldn't make that 3. Coronel looking to make a move. Conejo with a jumper. Benitez grinds the ball inside. Debron with that flex. Pinagpaglang ang depensa ni De La Cruz. 5:25 remaining. De La Cruz couldn't answer. Pushes it on the left. Berdan misfires. So a lot of players just heading in. $75-65. Soto turns the ball away. Escoto played well on the second half, especially last quarter. On the other side, Chunaco, Coronel looking to put some finishing touches as that jumper by Sian didn't go in. 75-65 ang ating score. 3 on the way. Off the mark, couldn't make it back to back for Macoring. Sian Coronel, 4:20 remaining. Escoto had a straight look. Balik kay Chunaco. And now looking to settle in ay itong si Zian Coronel. Sian with a jumper. That's at least 3 baskets in a row. Hindi naka-convert. Apostol, high glass. Couldn't convert. Will push once again. Mintis yung jumper na yun. Chunaco sends it out. A 3, Eslao got it. Clarence Eslao has hit that 3-pointer. $78-65. Largest lead of the game, I believe, is at this one at 13. Katwiran with a miss. Coronel, one more time, gonna push the pace. Chunaco, balik kay Coronel. Looking to send it out once again. Conejo, Escoto, a smaller lineup on their side. Conejo jumper off the mark. It is tapped. Last touch, itong si Eslao. Gimarangan coming in. Upo muna itong si Coronel, o itong si, I should say, si Conejo, after missing a couple of baskets, a couple of tries. As a steal is made, Ryle gonna push the pace. Chunaco with a fake, looking to send it to Devron. Benitez wanting that ball. Yun nga lang, will be having a second chance here after this break.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga.
78-65. Ryle Guimarangan with that big basket and a bigger one. Carl Cabocan securing that basket as well. 12-point lead. Of the timeout, naka-score magkaparehong team. Chunako Corinancer. In and out dribble. Matt Soto couldn't secure that basket. Last 2 minutes time. Lalim ng dukot ni Apostol. Benitez throws it up. Here is Medes Chunako. This is closing by the minute. Region 2, Apong Cagayan looking to scoot their way in once again. San Juan Mighty Warriors looking for their finishing touches. Magbabalik po kami.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to.
A minute 35. Guimarangan will be fouled once again. And he is holding on his leg there. Talking about Ryle Guimarangan. Again, those closeouts on 3. Medyo delikado. And he looks to be fine. Medyo ika-ika itong si Ryle, pero tignan natin. Can shoot his free throws here. Talking about Ryle. Solid form. Just waiting in for the right moment to strike. Itong si Ryle Guimarangan. Flawless on the second as he looks to put in the final points. $85-70. Naibaba as low as 6 but couldn't put San Juan away. Talking about Region 2, Apong Cagayan. Heading into this tournament, San Juan Mighty Warriors, one of the heavy favorites to really win it all in the 16 and under division. Now waiting on the wings are the team from Zamboanga na nagpakita ng puso kanina, needing every second of our game clock to make a final strip. So it is really safe to say it is a David versus Goliath story sa ating under 16 finals. San Juan Mighty Warriors looking to win a Junior MPBL championship. Meanwhile, Zamboanga Harbor Pilots, the best Zamboanga has to offer in the under 16, will not only look to win another championship but to take down one of the giants in the tournament. Apostol shoots that three. And for Apong Cagayan, again, they had their chances. Down by 6 earlier. Hindi lang talaga makabutas, di lang talaga maibaba ang mga kalamangan. Sama mo ba yan? Benedict Solas says sayonara on the hopes of Region 2 Apong Cagayan. But again, gotta give credit to this team from Cagayan. In and out on that free throw itong si Soto. 88-73. San Juan Mighty Warriors, one win away to be called champion of champions in the 16 under sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL. But again, tulad nga nasabi ko, standing in their way yung Zamboanga team na yun. Really impressive, and has really caught our attention, lalong-lalo na sa kanilang performance kanina. And I'm sure the whole team watching this contest prepared to do battle, to duel against the best here, one of the best, San Juan Mighty Warriors. There you go. Our under 16 cast is complete. San Juan Mighty Warriors defeating Region 2 Apong Cagayan 88-76. Tapos na tayo sa under 14, sa under 16, and now under 18 action. Bataan ALT Basketball taking on Apong Cagayan Region 2 once again. Yan ang ating abangan sa aming pagbabalik.
Liga ng